What's up, YouTubians? Gary of VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to another day in the garage because, well, Florida crappy weather is preventing me from going out and doing any fun things today outside. So, we're gonna get some more work done inside, well, the garage. Make sure you check out VWJawbreaker.com for all my merch, t-shirts. Got a couple new designs up there, so check them out. Also, if you have ideas for shirts or anything like that, drop them down in the comments below or shoot me an email at gary@vwjawbreaker.com. All right, guys, well, we've done a lot of body work here on the 60. As you can know, we've got all kinds of stuff done. Now, today's project, we're gonna start tackling some of this rod up here around the front hood area. So that's what's on today's agenda. I'm gonna go ahead and get these vehicles turned around, the garage straightened up and ready to go. Let's chitty chatty, more worky worky. Let's get after it. I'll let you look and see what you think. There we go. It's in there. A little low right there. Overall, man, I don't know. It's all right. It's better than the multiple holes that were there. And if you wondered why I kept that one piece there, that's part of the tab on both sides for the glove box. I am running a glove box. I need somewhere to store my crap. Welder's doing good. I'm already through about 2/3, 3/4 of this bottle, 80 cubic foot bottle. Really need to get a second tank. They're just not cheap. Not cheap at all. Moving on to the other side. And that's exactly why we OSFO everything in Florida. Between all the rain, humidity, and look at that. Now the rain's starting to blow into the garage. So we have two options. Shut the garage some, turn the fan on, and keep working, or take a break. I vote for keep working. West Florida for you. All right, so let's go ahead and get going on this side. Got one there, small one. We may try to just spoon that one.
Spoon it.
And we got those. So we got a little bit more work to do on this side, but at least we kind of got an idea of how to do it on this side. And again, it's close enough. Little by little. Dremel's working really good for getting up in these tight areas versus a 4.5-inch angle grinder. So I'm out of the little disc for the Dremel. So I think I may try just doing a little fill on that one. At least we can get those done. I don't know. It's getting hot and muggy out there. That rain, man, it just does us in down here. So here's a bit of an update. For some reason I'm having GoPro issues and it's steamy here. Gotta love Florida. So it's looking okay. It's not great. It's not horrible. They're all filled. I'm thoroughly a little bit okay with it. I wish it was little better, but I came to the realization that, thanks to a friend, that even people who do great body work for a living sometimes have to use a little bit of filler. I went, that makes all the world of difference for me for some reason. I was hoping that even though I don't do metal work like this, that I could, you know, not have to use filler, and I don't know. Anyway, like I said, it's a mental thing.
I'm mental. We got it. You don't have to remind me.
All right, so there we go. It's looking good. Looking real good. I got a set of doors I'm picking up soon from a friend. They actually have the vent windows and everything in it. This car came with the one-piece doors. Hinges are frozen solid. That's why that's why the door stayed out for the channels and all that. So with all of that said and done, I'm actually pretty pleased. We've got just a little bit run around the window right here. Other than that, we finish that, then we start on the inside. Yeah! Strip this dash down, go ahead and pull the steering wheel column, fix these little booger holes, fix the little plate, And then I've got something else that I've got an idea on. And then we've got a little bit back here around the package tray to do. Just minimal patchwork. So as always, thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you for the motivation, the swift kick in the rear to keep me going. Having a better day today. It takes time to get over the loss of a loved one, a pet. It takes time. So everybody that's reached out, thank you. It means a lot. So till the next time, guys, be kind to one another. Be good.